So we at Quytech have been working in AR since 2011, and we have seen it evolve from a technology point of view. Earlier, there were a few things. It was only software driven. I'll talk about what is AR and how AR is being used in marketing. So this is a scene from Iron Man movie. You must have seen. The Iron Man sees the head-up display, which shows information from the real world about, what scene it is, what the children are riding on, and what are they eating. Now, oftentimes this has been repeated across movies. So you must have seen the newspaper from Harry Potter, RoboCop, Terminator, and lately Spider-Man: Far From Home. So these are use cases of AR that's been used in movies. Can anybody tell me what is the most popular social AR platform at this point? Well, that's Snapchat. Snapchat with its face filters is augmented reality. It's being used very popular, and most of the experiences are shared among users. Now, we'll talk about how AR is different from virtual reality, mixed reality. We see a lot of difference coming in, a lot of confusion about how virtual reality and augmented reality are different and how they are similar. So virtual reality is basically putting a customer, a user, in a completely immersive environment. You put a headset on and the user is cut off from the environment. Versus mixed reality, which is, it mixes the virtual environment with the real world. So it's about spatial computing. And with spatial computing, you got a pretty good blend of virtual world and the real world. So typical example is HoloLens and Magic Leap. Now, augmented reality is a broader mix of technologies which enable digital content over reality. Now, it could be sound, it could be video, it could be image, or it could be a GPS location. Extended reality, or XR, is a mixture of all these things. It encompasses all these three technologies. So how is AR used in marketing? Well, it's used for brand recognition, brand engagement, product visualization, conversion, and sales. I'll play a small video to showcase how AR can be used for engagement. So, such cases have been very popular in the wine industry, and there's another very popular case studies of 19 crimes. It's a wine label which derives its name from 19 crimes that were land you and for a punishment by deportation during the 18th century British Empire. So the brand created an augmented reality app which tells the story about these convicts and how they'll end up. Can you play the video? As you can see, the engagement created is phenomenal. I mean, that's the kind of storytelling that you can do. AR is also used in product visualization. So you can have product visualization, virtual try-ons of shoes, sunglasses, jewelry, makeup, furniture. And it's been pretty much used by e-commerce companies to enable people to realize how the products will look like on them. Now, there's another form of AR which is being used by marketers, which is location-based, wherein you can have an event in a stadium or any event where you can engage people in AR. Back. Now, this is a very popular video from SK Telecom, which shows I'll show you another form of AR which is being used by retail shops to engage users, bring footfalls, more footfalls to the retail shops and brick and mortar shops.